absolutely awesome. I could not have asked for better. This is the kitchen of my dreams. I have always wanted a wall oven, and I like the smooth cooktop. He managed to be either on budget or below budget, which I was just absolutely amazed for all the work that he did here. I was absolutely amazed, and I still have a few dollars left over. Exceptional. They were very polite. They cleaned up. To me now, they're like family. They've become family. I said, when this is all said and done, and we're going to do it, we're going to have a barbecue in the summer. I'm going to have them over and have a barbecue with them because they did such an exceptional job. If you need someone that will go that little extra mile for you and do an awesome job, he's perfect. He's absolutely perfect for the job.